Hey everybody, Josh here with 6 Day Cash Buyers, 6daycashbuyers.com. Get cash for your house in as little as 6 days. Cool. And in today's video, what I want to talk about and show you is how you can market your property using your cell phone and creating videos. I'm going to show you the best, most cost-effective way to do that today in this video. So again, I'm Josh with 6 Day Cash Buyers, and let's get started. So one of the most beneficial ways you can sell your property, or one of the things you can do to market it, and kind of what's becoming pretty trendy and creative here in 2018, is making a video to sell your property. Photos are great, but video is going to tell you a story that photos simply can't capture. And I actually have a friend that does this, and I think he gets paid or charges around $500 to do a video for a house to come in. And I do believe that that is not an expensive one. It can actually cost quite a bit more. He goes in with his camera, a gimbal, and takes the video, and then someone else edits that together and does that. And if you're looking to sell your house, maybe you don't want to invest in much of a rig, or you don't want to pay someone to do it. You want to try to do it on a budget. And so what I want to walk you through is how to do this on a budget with your cell phone. And all these things that you are looking at today too, and we go through, are just kind of great things that you can have that you can use for everyday occasion and make use of them. And so one of the first things that I always recommend is getting a wide angle lens. And the reason that we want to get a wide angle lens is so we can capture as much of the room as possible, but we don't want to go fisheye lens. So it's just important to differentiate between a fisheye lens and a wide angle lens. A wide angle lens is going to keep the same kind of frame. It's not going to stretch it in a way that makes it weird. And so a fisheye, what it does is it makes it so wide to the point that it actually then starts to adjust the image, and it fisheyes it, so it kind of makes it a little bit rounder, and it's going to distort the image a little bit and give it a different shape. So we don't want to go quite to that degree, while a fisheye lens will give you, and it'll fit the most possible in the frame. You don't want to distort the image at all, or make it look funny like that. You just want to go with a wide angle lens. And macro lens just mean you can get super close. Sorry, that's not true. Corey, macro lens, you're going to get wide, right? Micro, small. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So this wide angle lens here, you got like super wide angle lens, which is cool. So right now, you can probably do this for $13.99. Let's see, they've got a couple different options there. This one's looking pretty good. You got 5-in-1 here, which is not bad. You got the 2x zoom, wide angle. So wide angle is what you want to go for. Cool. So it's going to be one of the first things, and you're just going to put that right on top of your phone camera. And the second thing that I want to show you is the a phone gimbal. And so here's just a video kind of showing a little bit of sample footage. And so what you're going to see is how smoothly that you can do this. Let me see if I can show you a nice shot. Kind of a lot of the stuff is moving fast. Let's see here. Kind of wanted to show something smooth. Okay, so there you go. So that's like walking up. You can see how smooth that is. And so when you take a real estate video, you're going to want to get your hands on a gimbal. Again, you can see how smooth this is, because you don't want a video that people aren't going to watch. And oh yeah, so there's a great shot. So you can see how smooth that is. And all you got to do is you can go on Amazon, and they've got a gimbal for, I think this is Amazon.ca. So going to Amazon.com, do phone gimbal. That's going to be a stabilizer, and so they've got like about $100, and you're going to have this for life. Maybe find one used for $91. So this is going to be great. And so that's going to give you this nice smooth video that you can then edit on your phone. There's all different kinds of apps. I know that there's iMovie for the iPhone, which is a free one as well if you got the iPhone there, and you can use that. And then when you're trying to sell your house, maybe you go on Zillow, you want to list it for yourself. you can just do, create your listing and then add video, and then you'll add the video to the listing. And you're going to want to clean out the house or just make it look as presentable as possible. Bright light is great too, so maybe do it during the daytime, get a little bit of light in the house. And there's other kinds of things you can do to create more light, but this is kind of the two things that are the most simple that I think you're going to get the best return on the investment for. And again, you'll have a stabilizer for the rest of your life, and so you'll be able to just make any kind of videos you want. Using the stabilizer is going to really smooth it out, but just a really great way to add that cutting edge marketing to your listing if you're selling your house. And of course, we're always here to pay cash for your house. You can sell your house and we'll buy it in as little as 6 days. But if you want to go ahead and do it on your own, that is a way that you can kind of make a cutting edge listing and upload a video, and people can then get a really good feel for your house and it'll be attractive. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope that helps, and hope you can get out and buy yourself a gimbal and get that wide angle lens and get rolling on making real estate videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.